1, 2, 3, let's go!
Hey guys, what's up? It's Joanne. As Father's Day is around the corner, today we're gonna make few Father's Day gifts. So if you're ready, let's go. For the first DIY, you'll have to draw a tie on any color paper you want and then cut it out. After that, you can draw any design you want to on the tie. Here I'm going for a few hearts. Next, go ahead and add some color to the design you have created. Take a paper bag, cut the upper parts, leaving some space in between as shown. After cutting the paper bag from up, glue the front and back part together. Then fold the upper part of the paper bag like this. And place the tie in between them like this. Now glue all the parts together. And the fun part is you can also make this paper bag stand. Add an outline to the tie and your first DIY Father's Day gift is ready. For the next DIY, take a black paper and fold it into 3 parts as shown. Fold this part of the paper like this to make a collar. Take some white paper and cut it as shown. Next, fold the upper part of the paper like this. The white paper will have to be placed in the black paper this way. Time to add details. Cut out small buttons from red paper and stick it on the suit. Follow this process to make a bow tie. You can add in your Father's Day greetings on this paper. For this next DIY, take any color paper you want and fold it in half. Next, make a half heart with your hand and trace it on the paper. Then cut it out. Stick these two parts together like this using clear tape. The main part of the card is this heart shape formed by the hands. Now take any color paper and stick the hands on it for the heart to be more visible. Once it dries, it will look something like this. Now I'm going to fill in the heart using a pink color brush pen. Next you can write Happy Father's Day on the hands like this. Here I've added some more details. Now start by decorating the front side of the card. Now I'm going to write Happy Father's Day on the front side of the card in calligraphy. Using a red brush pen, here I'm making 3 hearts. And just like this, the third DIY Father's Day gift is ready. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell to not miss single video. Don't forget to drop a comment and share this video with your friends and family. Wish your father a happy Father's Day from my side. Bye.